Simply Piano by JoyTunes is one of the most popular piano learning apps. Designed to take complete beginners all the way to intermediate players, it works by listening to your real piano or keyboard through your device's microphone, giving instant feedback as you play. The lessons are broken down into step-by-step courses covering reading sheet music, hand coordination, chords, and popular styles. It starts simple with one hand, then gradually moves to two-hand pieces. The app also includes a huge library of songs, from classical to pop, so you can practice with music you actually enjoy. Practice tools include a slow mode that lets you learn tricky parts at your own pace, plus loop features to repeat challenging sections until they click. There's also progress tracking so you can see how your skills build over time. Pros, it's beginner-friendly, engaging, and you don't need prior music knowledge. The song library keeps practice fun, and the real-time feedback makes it feel interactive. Cons, advanced players may outgrow it, and some users mention the subscription cost feels high compared to traditional sheet music or free tutorials. Also, it works best with a digital keyboard. Acoustic pianos can sometimes have recognition issues. Bottom line, Simply Piano is an excellent tool for beginners who want structured lessons and interactive practice. It won't replace a teacher for advanced technique, but for getting started and staying motivated, it's one of the best options out there.